Western Cape Judge President John Hlophe's battle to retain his job is heating up. The High Court has allowed 6 retired Constitutional Court justices and the organization Freedom Under Law to become involved in the case as respondents. Now, Hlophe is seeking a review of an adverse finding by the Judicial Service Commission, which found him guilty of gross misconduct for allegedly trying to influence 2 top justices in the former President Jacob Zuma's case back in 2008. Now, the researcher and advocacy officer at Judges Matter organization, Zikhona Ndlebe, joins us now from Cape Town. Zikhona, a very good morning to you. Thank you so much for your time. I'm going to try and keep this brief and really straight to the point. So, 6 top judges have now joined this case. How significant a development is this? But also, more importantly, will it help speed up this matter that has been dragging for many years now?
Just to be direct, so you're correct, 6 Constitutional Court judges have been joined, and the purpose of that joinder is to ensure that the court has all the information that it needs when it deals with the actual review application. The judges that have been joined are judges that were implicated when the case commenced back in 2008 because they were in active service at the Constitutional Court back then. So that is why they have been joined in this review application now.
So of major concern here, Zikhona, is the reputation of the South African judiciary. How much damage has there been with Judge John Hlophe remaining on the bench?
It's sad. It's a sad reality that this matter has been protracted for over 13 years now, and there's been a lot of damage to the integrity of the judiciary as a whole, because if people look at the judiciary in South Africa, Judge President Hlophe's case is one of the long-standing cases that have been dealt with by the JSC, and it still continues, whereas it should have been brought to a finality when the JSC actually made the final decision to find Judge President Hlophe guilty of gross misconduct. However, as you said, Judge President Hlophe is not taking this matter lying down. He is looking at various avenues to ensure that he still holds his position as a Judge President of the Western Cape High Court. But what I have to say, Xoli, is that Section 177 of the Constitution allows the President, on the advice of the JSC, to suspend Judge President Hlophe. And the JSC has, for some reason, informed the court that that was a month ago, that it was not advised the President to suspend Judge President Hlophe. But at the moment, we do not see why the JSC cannot advise the President to suspend Judge President Hlophe pending the review application. It's a suspension. It will not be a final decision.
Why would the JSE do this, in your view? JSC,
as you said, yes, the JSC. As you said, the integrity of the judiciary is at stake. This matter has been long-standing, and we cannot tell when it will be brought to finality, because the review application will only be heard on the 22nd of February 2022. We are not certain what other legal steps Judge President Hlophe and his legal team will be taking pending the final review application being heard by the court and the final decision being made. So the integrity of the judiciary is at stake, and the Constitution allows for a suspension pending a final impeachment of a sitting judge.
Zikhona Ndlebe, let's leave it there, this matter. The understanding is that it is going to continue, I think, in February next year. Zikhona Ndlebe is a researcher and advocacy officer at the organization Judges Matter.